So you are talking for website SEO or YouTube SEO?
Website, of course.
Okay, okay. This is Parabi and Mr. Mahabubur Rahman and me. We are teammate and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member Mr. Mahabub has talked with you about your digital marketing related service. How you want, we can help you. No problem.
Okay. So can you show some of the password? You don't just do Instagram, Facebook, and Google ads. You also do SEO, do you?
Yeah.
So now at the moment, I wanted to concentrate on the SEO because that's gonna be very big task. And if it is done properly, then it's gonna bring in a lot of business. So I want to see some backend performance of the sites that you operate recently, so that I can see how good you are in terms of the SEO.
Okay, okay. So you are talking for website SEO or YouTube SEO?
Website, of course.
Okay, okay. So we have worked with a lot of website, and we will send some of our previous website we worked with and we ranked. So definitely our team member Mr. Mahabub will send after finishing the meeting. No problem.
Okay.
Our main focus is our client satisfactions, and we know how to rank a YouTube video or website on Google. As like if I show you some of our own sites, then if you search here with the keyword like digital marketing full course Bangla, then there are thousands of videos regarding this keyword, but we got the top position. We got the top position. These two playlists of us, we rank this playlist. And as like if you search here with the keyword like SEO full course Bangla, then there are also thousands of videos regarding this keyword, but we got the top position. We also teach how to do SEO. And if you search here with the keyword Facebook marketing full course Bangla, Facebook marketing full course Bangla, then you will get our playlist is on the top. And if you go to Google, and if you search here with the keyword FSD freelance help, then you will got our website on the top. This is our website, our own website. As like
Okay.
if you search here with the keyword my
You
name my
brand
name
search, right? You're using your brand to search. Of course, your own site is gonna rank the first.
Yeah. And if you search with my name Farabi Adnan, then you also gain my profile here Farabi Adnan.
This doesn't mean anything to me. I mean, you search your name, of course, you will rank the first if you have done some SEO work on top of it. That's easily ranking the
Yeah,
first. Yeah,
yeah.
doesn't
So
mean
yeah, if you search here with the keyword digital marketing with buyer finding codes Bangla.
of course, this is a very very long tail keyword. That is
Yeah,
small niche.
this
No
is
one else is gonna use it. So that's kind of thing. But anyway, it looks like you are good on YouTube SEO, right?
no, we also do YouTube SEO and website SEO, no problem. So our website we worked with previously, will send some of our portfolio and previous work history. Then you can visit that site, and if you think that you are satisfied, then we can go for with you, no problem.
Okay. Yeah, you can send me a proposal, what you can do, and what kind of sites have rank on the number one page for how many clicks you bring in on a daily basis. This kind of statistics is what I wanted to see.
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
Besides, and if without all of these, how can I know you're gonna do a good job? I've been discussing with a lot of suppliers in this regarding, so I need to compare and then see the results. Okay.
Okay, okay, sounds good. So our team member Mr. Mahabub would on task with you.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.